Samsung has now confirmed that the Galaxy A56 will be coming to the US, but it won't arrive as soon as many expected. This news comes after months of uncertainty, especially since the Galaxy A55 never made it to the US last year. While Samsung has made it clear that the A56 will eventually be available, they haven't provided an exact release date. Instead, the company has only mentioned that the phone will launch later this year, leaving many wondering how long the wait will be. For weeks, there was speculation about whether Samsung would even release the Galaxy A56 in the US. Unlike previous A-series models, there were no signs of firmware development for a US variant, leading to concerns that Samsung might skip this market again. Now, the company has officially confirmed that the A56 will be priced at $499 but won't launch at the same time as other A-series models. This suggests that Samsung may be taking a different approach with its mid-range lineup this year. Meanwhile, Samsung has already announced release dates for two other A-series models in the US. The Galaxy A36 is set to launch on March 26, followed by the Galaxy A26 on March 28. The fact that these budget-friendly models are launching first, while the A56 is being delayed, raises questions about Samsung's strategy. Looking at past launches, the last A5X model released in the US was the Galaxy A54, which became available for pre-order on March 30, 2023, and officially launched on April 6. If Samsung were following a similar pattern, the A56 should have already been announced, but with the company stating only that it will arrive later this year, it's clear the release schedule has changed. There are a few possible reasons for the delay. One possibility is supply chain issues, which have affected smartphone production worldwide. Another reason could be that Samsung is shifting its focus, prioritizing more affordable models before introducing the A56 to the market. This would align with Samsung's growing emphasis on high-end devices in some regions, which may explain why the Galaxy A55 never launched in the US last year. Even though the A56 is confirmed, Samsung could still be testing the market before making it widely available. Despite the delay, the Galaxy A56 is expected to offer some solid upgrades over its predecessor. Reports suggest that it will feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for a smooth viewing experience. It is also rumored to be powered by the Exynos 1480 processor, which should deliver better performance. The main camera is expected to be 50 megapixels, promising improved photo quality, while battery life may also see some improvements. Additionally, the A56 is likely to come with a more premium design and extended software support, making it a strong option in the mid-range market. With a price of $499, it will compete with other devices like Google's Pixel 7a and Apple's iPhone SE. For now, Samsung has not given a clear timeline for when the Galaxy A56 will be available in the US. Based on previous A-series launches, it could still be several months before pre-orders begin. Until then, more details may emerge, offering a clearer picture of Samsung's plans. If you're interested in the A56, keep an eye out for updates and let us know in the comments whether this phone is on your radar or if you're considering other options. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech updates. What if your next smartphone could completely transform how you experience the internet? Faster downloads, smoother streaming, and lag-free gaming, all thanks to groundbreaking 5G technology. That's exactly what Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 series might bring to the table. While the Galaxy S25 is still making waves, the rumors about its successor are already heating up, and today, we're diving into what could make the Galaxy S26 a game-changer. Let's break it down. The Galaxy S26 is expected to pack some serious power under the hood, and a lot of that hype revolves around its processor and modem. Word on the street is that Samsung might team up with Qualcomm again, using their next-gen chip, likely called the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This processor is rumored to come with the Qualcomm X85 modem, a piece of tech that could take 5G speeds to a whole new level. Compared to the X80 modem in the Galaxy S25, the X85 is said to deliver download speeds of up to 12.5 Gbps and upload speeds of 3.7 Gbps. That's a 25% jump in download speeds and a 5.8% boost in upload speeds. Think about what that means for you: faster downloads, smoother streaming, and gaming without interruptions. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. The X85 modem isn't just about speed, it's also about intelligence. Qualcomm's new modem comes with an AI-powered data traffic engine, a feature designed to make your online experiences smarter and more efficient. This AI engine can prioritize data traffic dynamically, which means it can give your gaming sessions top priority even on a crowded network. No more lag spikes in the middle of an intense match. It also promises clearer voice and video calls, along with seamless switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Whether you're scrolling through social media, working on the go, or video calling a friend, the Galaxy S26 could make everything feel faster and more reliable. Now, here's where things get interesting. While Qualcomm's Snapdragon chip is a strong contender, Samsung might also use its own Exynos 2600 processor in some regions. If that happens, the Galaxy S26 could feature the Exynos Motive 5400, which boasts even higher download speeds of up to 14.79 Gbps. This dual-chip strategy means Samsung could tailor the device to different markets while still delivering top-tier 5G performance. Whether it's Qualcomm or Exynos, one thing's clear: Samsung is aiming to set a new standard for smartphone connectivity. So, what does all this mean for you? If you're someone who relies on fast internet for work, gaming, or streaming, the Galaxy S26 could be a game-changer. Faster 5G speeds and AI-powered features could make your smartphone experience smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. But it's not just about speed. It's about how that speed enhances your daily life. Imagine downloading a high-definition movie in seconds, streaming your favorite show without buffering, or playing an online game with zero lag. These are the kinds of experiences the Galaxy S26 could deliver. And let's not forget the bigger picture. Faster 5G speeds don't just benefit individual users, they have the potential to transform entire industries. From real-time video calls that feel like face-to-face conversations to smart home devices that respond instantly, the possibilities are endless. The Galaxy S26 could be at the forefront of this revolution, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Are you excited about the potential for faster 5G speeds and AI-powered features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. The race to create the thinnest smartphone is getting more intense, and Apple might be planning to take the lead with its rumored iPhone 17 Air. Recent leaks suggest that this upcoming device could set a new benchmark in ultra-thin smartphone design, following Tecno's recent reveal of its Spark Slim, which initially claimed the title of the world's slimmest phone. However, if the leaks are accurate, Apple's latest device could be even slimmer. A leaked dummy model suggests that the iPhone 17 Air could be just 5.44mm thick. To put that into perspective, Tecno's Spark Slim measures 5.75mm, and Samsung's rumored Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be around 5.84mm. If these numbers hold true, Apple might take the crown for having the thinnest smartphone ever. However, while the phone itself may be extremely slim, the camera bump is expected to be slightly larger, which could add some depth to the device. With such a thin design, some trade-offs are inevitable. One of the biggest concerns is battery life. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to have a 3,000 mAh battery, which is significantly smaller compared to the batteries found in Apple's Pro models. A smaller battery usually means shorter screen on time, but Apple's A19 chip is expected to be more energy efficient, which could help balance out the power consumption. Still, it remains to be seen how well the device will perform in real-world usage. As for the display, leaks indicate that the iPhone 17 Air will feature a resolution of 1260 by 2740 pixels with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and animations. The screen size is expected to be between 6.5 and 6.7 inches, offering a balance between portability